We're so glad that you decided to spend your morning with us, and we begin with a developing story, and that is spring firefighters say 4th of July fireworks kept them busy.
Did it ever? Not only did they respond to multiple grass fires due to the drought, there was at least one house that caught fire. Chelsea Edwards is live with more on that. Chelsea?
Yes, the spring firefighters tell us although fireworks are legal out here, it does not make them any less dangerous. Take a look at the damage left behind from a fire believed to be caused by fireworks being set off by neighbors here in this neighborhood. Now, the firefighters did say that fireworks possibly hit the side of this chimney, catching fire to the wood siding and basically making this place unlivable for the residents here. They say when they got to the neighborhood, there were still fireworks going off. That's how active it was last night when they arrived and saw heavy smoke around 10 p.m. Now, they say they had to open the drop door to the attic to get to the fire. It was pretty heavy, but they were able to quickly get it under control. They say that fire did burn through the roof of the house. Meanwhile, a woman and her sister were able to get out along with all their cats. There were no injuries reported. Spring firefighters did say it was a very busy evening for them. They received about 10 to 15 calls about grass fires that had to be put out. At one point, all 10 crew members were out, or all 10 crews were out putting out those fires. We know people like to continue celebrating beyond July 4th, popping off those leftover fireworks the next day. So we spoke with Spring Fire Chief Jimmy Stewart about how to avoid any other bad outcomes.
Just be extremely careful, especially in a residential neighborhood when you've got houses that are so close together. I would recommend if you feel like you have to shoot off fireworks, go out in a more rural area so you can actually kind of keep an eye on there's no structures anywhere in your vicinity. So if the grass does catch fire, you're close to it. I mean, you could go out and stomp it out. But in a neighborhood like this, you have no idea, especially like I said with the aerials, you have no idea where they're going to end up.
Once again, we're told that woman and her sister and the cats, they're all okay. They just had to be put up in a hotel in the meantime, and they're waiting on their insurance to work on these repairs. The chief also did mention, although fireworks are not illegal, once again, someone could be held liable for any damage to someone's house or any accidents that happen because of fireworks being set off. In this case, he says it was so active here, it would be extremely hard to track down who may have been responsible for this fire. For now, reporting live in Spring, Chelsea Edwards, Fox 26 News.